Hi, the purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to get the Data Analysis Toolpak into Excel for version 2007. In earlier versions, just search for add-in and you'll find it there. This is only in the Windows version that it works. Under the File tab, we go into Options. There's a variety here. We need add-ins down here on the window to the left. So click on add-ins and you'll see a bunch of them. We're just looking for the Analysis Toolpak. You don't need the VBA, that's for Visual Basic, which is programming. And you're pretty much there. You may need to adjust this menu right here. Make sure it's on Excel add-ins. And we're going to click OK. That should do it. In your data ribbon now, we see that Data Analysis Toolpak has popped up. Okay, so you can click on it and now access the Data Analysis Toolpak functionality.